последний вздох. И звезды мирно падали, как будто для меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше не могу, я просто мучаю себя. Теперь ты пожалел моем. Камин в 6 утра, фотография твоя.
Let's cut this plank. I got the log coming through. Nice work, team. Almost there. Good job. Steady. One more hit. Got it. Keep pushing. Almost there.
Камин в 6 утра.
Keep it steady, team. This blue is flying. Faster, Messi. We got this. Almost done here. All right. Who gets the bed? Good question. Any ideas? Rock, paper, scissors? I'm in. Hey, everyone. Subscribe for more fun. Like and join us. We love the positive vibes. Thanks for watching.